Hello, today's topic? At the grocery store.
Welcome to the grocery store. How can I assist you today?
I'm here to do my weekly shopping. Can you help me find some items?
Of course. What do you need? Let's make a list.
I need milk, bread, eggs, cheese, and some fruits.
Okay, let's start with the dairy. Do you prefer any specific type of cheese?
I usually go for cheddar. Do you have any specials?
Yes, we had a promotion on cheddar cheese today.
Great, I'll take one. Now, where can I find bread?
Bread is in aisle 2, just across from the dairy section.
Thanks. How about eggs? Are they nearby?
Yes, eggs are also in aisle 2, next to the bread.
Perfect. Now I need some fruits. Where are they located?
Fruits are in aisle 3, towards the back of the store.
Excellent. Can you recommend some fresh fruits for me?
Sure, we had apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes today.
I'll take some apples and bananas. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else on your list?
Yes, I also need some pasta and sauce for dinner.
Pasta and sauce are in aisle 4, next to the canned goods.
Got it. Do you have any recommendations for pasta sauce?
Our homemade marinara sauce is quite popular.
I'll give it a try. Can you help me find it?
Sure, follow me to aisle 4. Here it is.
Thank you so much for your help. You've been wonderful.
It's my pleasure. Let me know if you need anything else.
I think that's all for today. How much do I owe you?
Your total comes to $30.
Here's $40. Keep the change.
Well, thank you very much. Have a fantastic day.
You too. Enjoy your groceries and come back soon.
Vocabulary.
Shopping. Milk. Bread. Eggs. Cheese. Fruits. Dairy. Promotion. Special. Apple. Banana. Orange. Grape. Pasta. Sauce. Dinner. Recommendation. Homemade. Total. Change.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.